Alright, this is Pete over at D.I.Y. Auto School. I was over at Harbor Freight today. I had a little bit of a problem, and I'm going to show you the problem we had in a minute, but I ended up having to buy a floor jack because I'm actually stuck out here in Moab, Utah, and my trailer busted down, and I need 2 floor jacks to do the job. But I was over at Harbor Freight, and I saw this jack. Now, they have an orange one, a green one, and a black one. And it's made by Daytona. It's a 3-ton heavy-duty rapid pump. I want to show you here. It's also got the foot pump on it. You can see that in the picture. And it's low profile, long reach. That means that it's an extra long floor jack. So I was looking at the other ones, and I've purchased some floor jacks from Harbor Freight before, and I wasn't too happy with them because they're $100. The ones I used to buy, which I don't even remember the brand, but it was $110. And I wasn't happy with it. It lasted me about a year, and I threw it in the trash, and I swore I wouldn't buy another Harbor Freight floor jack. But when I saw these were only $139. So I was kind of in a pickle over here, that I had to have a floor jack. And you can see right here, this thing raises 2 feet. This is a 2-foot reach on this floor jack. The jack itself is 35 inches long, and you got 3 3/4 height. This is a height of 3 3/4, so it's very low profile, and it is a jack that I said for 139 bucks. I'm going to go ahead and buy that. It's only $30 more than the cheap one that I was going to buy, and I think this is going to be a good jack. Well, lo and behold, we get out here to Moab. I unload the jack, and it turns out this thing, I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, this thing weighs about 100 pounds. This is not a light-duty jack. This is an industrial jack, and when they say high performance, they aren't lying. As you can see, you get the 2-piece handle, all right, and it's got the handle that raises it up and down, and then right here, I'm going to go ahead and tighten that up, and then it's also got the quick release foot action. You can see as it's going up, and I'm pushing it with the foot, all right, and then again, we're going to go ahead and release that. There you go, right there. Okay, so what happened when I was out here? Let me get this out of the way here, because this was another review, and if you want to see the review on this Bauer electric, okay, yeah, 1/2-inch impact, go to my channel, D.I.Y. Auto School, and look for that video, or look for it at the end of this video, or you can go in the description and there'll be a link for that tool right there. That was another Harbor Freight tool that I purchased. But what happened here is I broke a spring, and here's the old one right here, and I needed 2 floor jacks to actually do this job. I went over to O'Reilly's, got that one. That didn't cut the mustard, and I already have all these tools, believe it or not, but I'm stuck out here in Moab, Utah, and I didn't have no choice but to actually purchase these items to fix the trailer. So the spring on my trailer broke, and you need 2 floor jacks to change that spring. I don't care how you look at it. You need one to jack the axle up, and then you need one to jack the equalizer bar up, and then you got to line those up. So I had to have that. But I want to show you this jack, and it's a very, very good jack. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that, you know, it's a piece of crap, because it's not. And that's one reason I'm making this video, because I really, really like this jack, and I think it's gonna last me a very, very long time. But you can see how easy I'm pulling on it with one finger. Look at this, I got one finger, and it's jacking this trailer up like nothing. Okay, look at that. Okay, I'm jacking the trailer up, and I'm going to go ahead and try the foot pedal. Okay, the foot pump will not jack it up. I think the foot pump is to actually get you to where you want to start jacking. So that's a release pedal to get you. You cannot jack it up using the pedal, but the pedal gets the front of the jack up to where you want it. But you can see, look what I'm doing here. Very easy, and it just works really, really awesome. It's got a dual piston cartridge in it. It's spring loaded. It's a 3-ton capacity. They actually have a 4-ton over there if you want to buy one. But this is a very, very good jack for the money. I picked it up on sale for $139. I don't know what the price is of that jack. Not on sale. I mean, what isn't on sale at Harbor Freight? Let's go ahead and get that out of here. And I didn't get that at Harbor Freight, but if you own a trailer, pick one up. Believe me, you'll love me for telling you to do it. That thing's awesome right there. Saved me a lot of work changing tires on the road. So I was kind of skeptical about the Daytona 3-ton. Now, I've heard of Daytona before. Daytona's been around a very long time. I'm going to go ahead and let that down. Watch this. I barely turned that. I barely turned it, and it went right down. So, the foot release on these, or the foot pump, is actually to get you up to where you need to go so you don't have to pump it with your hand. You can see, alright, instead of using my hand pump, I'm using the foot, and look at that, 1.5 pumps and it's there and we're ready to go. So, do I like this product? Yes. Very good product. Daytona's been around a long time. I don't know if they're made in America, but if you're looking for a floor jack at a very good price, think about getting this baby right here. This is well worth the money. It's got the quick elevation vehicle with dual piston design, just like I told you. I'm reading this right here, giving you some information. 360-degree rotating jack, saddle with non-slip rubber pad. It comes with the rubber pad on the bottom. It's 3 3/4 extra low profile. Gets under the lowest vehicles, which I work on a lot of street rods, and this is the kind of jack that I want for that type of work. And it was only $139. This is Pete, buying tools at Harbor Freight and giving you an honest review on them, and hoping you will appreciate it. So there you go, $139. You can't beat it. Take it easy. We'll see you later, and let all your mechanic days be better than mine, stuck out here in Moab, Utah. Big job. Big job. Needing a very big jack to do the job. And that's the situation we have with the Daytona. Is this thing made in America? I don't even know if it is or not. I've heard Daytona, but I don't know if this is the same Daytona. Probably not. Nope, made in China, right there. Made in China for Harbor Freight specifically. So, didn't think we'd get that lucky that it was actually made in America, being from Harbor Freight.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.